Today we're going to be looking at improper fractions and mixed numbers. So let's say I have 28 fifths. That is the same as how many wholes and how many parts. Well, if I think how many fives are in 28, I know 5 times 5 equals 25. So I know that I have one whole plus another plus another and another and another. 5 parts make a whole. In this case, because my denominator lets me know 5 parts would make my whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 3 fifths. So let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 plus 3 more makes 28 fifths. So in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wholes and 3 fifths. So here is my improper fraction and here is my mixed number.